Hey everyone, DIY with Dad here. Today we're talking about restoring your car's faded trim. This is a simple DIY project that can make a huge difference in your car's appearance and value. Over time, sun and weather can make your car's trim look dull and faded, but don't worry, we can fix that. With a few easy steps, you can bring back that like-new shine. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's gather the tools and products we'll need for this project. Don't worry, you won't need anything fancy. First, an all-purpose cleaner or degreaser will help us clean the trim thoroughly. Next, isopropyl alcohol to prep the surface for the restorer. You'll need a few microfiber towels for cleaning and buffing. The trim restorer is the magic product that will bring back the shine. Masking tape is optional, but can help protect your paint if you're worried about overspray. Gloves will protect your hands from chemicals and dirt. A bucket for mixing your cleaning solution and some clean water for rinsing. Lastly, a ceramic or UV sealant is optional but provides extra protection and makes the results last longer. Now that we have everything we need, let's move on to the first step. The first step is to give your car's trim a good cleaning. This will remove any dirt, grime, or old wax that could prevent the restorer from working properly. First, mix your all-purpose cleaner or degreaser with water according to the instructions on the bottle. Then dip a microfiber towel into the solution and wring it out so it's not soaking wet. Thoroughly wipe down all the trim you'll be restoring. Rinse the trim with clean water and dry it with a clean microfiber towel. Make sure you get into all the nooks and crannies. A clean surface is crucial for the restorer to bond properly. Now that the trim is clean, we need to prep the surface for the restorer. This step is important to ensure the restorer adheres properly and provides a long-lasting shine. First, soak a clean microfiber towel with isopropyl alcohol. Wipe down the entire surface of the trim, removing any remaining dirt or residue. Let the alcohol dry completely before moving on to the next step. Isopropyl alcohol helps to remove any lingering contaminants and ensures a smooth surface for the restorer to bond to. Section 5, Step 3. Protect your paint. Like a pro. This step is optional, but it's a good idea if you're worried about getting any restorer on your car's paint. Use masking tape to carefully tape off the areas around the trim you'll be restoring. Make sure the tape is pressed down firmly to create a good seal. This will create a barrier between the trim and your paint, preventing any accidental overspray. Section 6, Step 4. Apply the restorer. Watch the magic happen. Now comes the fun part. It's time to apply the trim restorer and bring back that like-new shine. Shake the bottle of trim restorer well before use. Apply a small amount of restorer to a clean microfiber towel or applicator pad. Work the restorer into the trim in a circular motion, ensuring even coverage. Don't apply too much restorer at once. It's better to start with a little and add more if needed. You'll be amazed at how quickly the trim starts to look new again. Section 7. Step 5. Buff for perfection. Smooth and shiny. Once you've applied the restorer, it's time to buff it out for a smooth and shiny finish. Use a clean and dry microfiber towel to buff the trim in a circular motion. Apply gentle pressure and continue buffing until the restorer is evenly distributed and the desired level of shine is achieved. Inspect the trim carefully as you buff to ensure even coverage and remove any excess restorer. Section 8, Step 6, Seal the deal, long-lasting protection. For even longer-lasting results, you can apply a ceramic or UV sealant over the restored trim. This will help protect the trim from future fading and keep it looking its best for longer. Follow the instructions on your chosen sealant product for application. Apply the sealant evenly to the trim and allow it to cure according to the product instructions. This extra step will provide an additional layer of protection and help maintain that freshly restored look for months to come. Section 9. Conclusion. Enjoy your like-new trim. Congratulations, you've successfully restored your car's faded trim and given it a fresh new look. By following these simple steps, you've not only enhanced your car's appearance but also protected it from future damage. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your car looking its best. By incorporating trim restoration into your regular car care routine, you can keep your car looking like new for years to come. Section 10. Your turn, show off your skills. Now that you know how to restore your car's trim like a pro, It's time to put your skills to the test. Grab your tools and give it a try. You'll be amazed at the results you can achieve with a little effort. Don't forget to share your before and after photos in the comments below. I can't wait to see your amazing transformations. Happy detailing!